Objectives of this presentation are to understand how to display data based on data type, and learn to choose appropriate tables and graphs. Here is an example of collected data entered into SPSS. Now question arises, how do we display this data? This quick summary will help you display data easily and correctly. Let's start. If data is categorical or qualitative, for example gender and religion, for its graphical presentation, we can use bar or pie chart. For its tabular presentation, we can use frequency or percentage tables. If quantitative data is continuous, for example age without categories, histogram will be used. In case of discrete data, there are two methods. If discrete data has less distinct values, for example number of children in this data, use bar graph. If more distinct values, for example number of friends in this data, histogram will be used. Note that, when discrete data has many different, distinct, values, a bar chart is not suitable. Therefore, a histogram should be used. Note that, when creating a histogram, intervals created automatically. Manual option is also available. For the tabular presentation of same data, mean and standard deviation are used. In SPSS, go to Graph for graphical presentation. And for tabular presentation, go to Analyze. Remember this table to easily choose the best way to display your data in SPSS. Thank you. For any suggestions, comment below.